So this afternoon I will be moderating the workshop called E-Government and Digital ID. What I will try to speak about, I think this morning you heard about blockchain, but I think we missed to discuss about digital ID, because you need an ID to be recognized on the blockchain. And if you read the press this weekend, you have seen massive breach with identifier found on the net. So I will deal about, are we able to still work with, as today, with centralized ID, or are we coming soon to have a decentralized ID? I will talk about two topics: refugees, which is my personal interest today, with to have an ID for refugees, and the other aspect, which is more common, to have a digital ID for citizens with e-government. So please join us. It will be room this side. I don't know exactly the room number, but this side. So we'll be exchanging on this.
Okay, good morning to everyone. All of you being blockchain addicts or newcomers. My name is Olivier Depierre. I'm a Swiss attorney trained on banking regulations and banking law. But I was hit by blockchain 3 years ago, and I'm becoming slowly 4.0 lawyer. We're going to have 6 great entrepreneurs, 3 among them being one of the most successful Swiss entrepreneurs this afternoon at 2 p.m. It's Alexis Roussel, CEO of BT, you don't pronounce BT, Daniel Houdenschild, CEO of Swisscom Blockchain, Antoine Verdon, founder of Proxius and CEO of Block Factory, and then we're going to have one David and one Goliath. The David being one of the most promising startup of 2018, Arcatrust, with its CEO Patrick Trinkler, and the Goliath being one of the big 4, KPMG, with 2 distinguished individuals, Vincent Talman and Andre Gudel. And with these gentlemen, we can still revisit one famous quote, because we are only in 2019 and because blockchain didn't yet go mass adoption. And this quote would be from John Fitzgerald Kennedy. My fellow entrepreneurs, ask not what the blockchain can do with you, ask what you can do with the blockchain, because in 9, 7, 5, 3 years from now, it will be too late. Your business will be impacted so much. Maybe a third or half of the people's job in this room will be blockchainized or AI'd. So if you want to know how your business will die, if you want to know how your business has to change so it can survive, if you want to know how it will grow or how it will become the next billion-dollar unicorn, you know which panel you want to attend. Room F, 2 p.m.
Please.
See you there.
Okay, next.
Thank you very much. I think finance is at the heart of everything. If you want to finance your business next year, if you're an entrepreneur, you need to go in session C at 2 o'clock, because that's where the heart will be. You will see that the finance system will change completely. It's the banks will have to adapt, will have to change. What's going to happen to your bank account? How will be used in digitalization? You need to know about that. For this, we have a second reason why you should come and attend this session, is because we have a dream team of speakers. We have entrepreneurs, we have asset managers, we have bankers, we have traders, and we have a world-class legal expert as well in our banking, in our panel. And these will tell you exactly how to deal with this situation. The themes will be how, for example, you want to do an IPO, no, you need to do a STO right now. So therefore, you need to learn more about how finance will change and what's going to happen. Last point, all the banks will have to suffer in the next few years. We know about erosions. They will have to reinvent their business model. So if you're a banker, you need to come and see how that's going to happen, what you should learn from this. So we see you in about 1 hour.
I will tell exactly. Lunch. I will tell them when. Okay, and who else?
Me.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello, everyone. So I'm Sarah Benaouda-Briand. I have my own consulting company, and I've been working in the banking environment for 10 years. So this afternoon, I will be moderating the panel with commodities and supply chain management with 10 amazing speakers, companies already experts in their field, such as IBM, WiseKey, Scantrust, Comgo, Cerealia, EthicHub. We will go through different topics such as benefits, advantages, and also ethic, legislation to understand more about how to implement the blockchain, to the commodities, trading, and supply chain management. So you should come and attend our panel discussion. Also because we have to take into account that Geneva is one of the worldwide hub for trading commodities companies. Thank you.
Excellent.
I'm last, and I think it's good. If you want any of this to happen, okay, Geneva, we have a problem: education. So if there's no education, if we're not able to train the skill sets that we need to make these promises happen, we're doomed. So come to my panels. We have two of them, one on the skill sets and one on the diplomas, with very interesting panelists. This starts at 2 p.m. in room G, and join us. We'll have a very lively discussion, I hope.
Excellent.